Hi friends, today for our activity we are going to build a sunflower seed head. So I have in front of me a white piece of paper, green Play-Doh. You can use any color Play-Doh. I think the green shows up very nicely. Yellow petals that I've cut out of some yellow construction paper, and any type of seeds. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your Play-Doh onto your white piece of paper, put it towards the middle. Then, just like a sunflower has petals, you'll go around and stick your petals into your green Play-Doh. Now it's okay, you can fill it in any way that you want. It's one of the nice things about being unique with art is that it's your way. So there's the first step. Then with our seeds, you just come in and put your seeds, stick them into your Play-Doh as best as you can to represent the seeds that are found in the middle of the flower. So we know seeds help grow new plants, and that flowers make seeds and sometimes fruit. So get them all in there. A sunflower seed head is filled with hundreds of seeds. And when the sunflower is dried out, those seeds are ready to either be roasted and eaten or stored to grow new plants. If you're able to do this activity at home, have your parents take a photo and you can tag us on either Instagram or Facebook. Thanks for joining us today.